Hi, this is the TCL 305i and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. First hold for a while the one from the applications and drag this app to another one, and by this way we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, just hold the app and drag it to the folder. To give a name, to rename the folder or to give a name to the folder, tap once on the name, and after that you could enter the new one. To move folder here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold and drag the applications. They will be the folder with the applications. And if you want to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold and drag it to the home screen. And also you could remove all of the applications with the folder together. Just hold the folder and drag it to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with these applications here in the apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.